Yes, YouTube. TriStars again at check-in. You see how me gear out? My first trip as a owner operator. My first trip. Me carry Christmas tree from Nova Scotia to Montreal. I mean, you see smile on my face. I feel nice. You know what I mean? I feel good. I feel good. You know, Volbean at the beginning of me. You don't know. It's a nice feeling. So yeah, basically them people here, them grow Christmas tree and things. You know, people at Christmas. You know, winter coming or Christmas time, so people want them trees. You know, so yeah, man, we gotta take on a journey, you know, and go and build. So me, you couldn't know what I go on, and this is my first trip. Big up everybody. Respect for tuning in. TriStars.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
O our Father, who art in Zion, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come on earth, thine will be done on earth. Hallowed be thy name.
You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before. Never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. Thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even when you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. Oh, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. Sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbyes.
Yes, YouTube, TriStars, I check in. right now, the weight station stop me and them do give me a level 1 on the truck, you don't know. So you don't know if you do the work right, you know where you do. When them stop you for them things, you don't really worry yourself or fret, you see me? So basically, I actually passed my level 1. Right now is a good feeling, you know what I mean? So, you know, one time without kind of worry a little bit still because, you know, she honor the truck too long and I do her thing and don't know, you see me, I will get it right still, you see? My voice kind of hoarse up still because you don't know, I work, run all night and thing and, you know? But as I say, go through level 1 and wait for my sticker to go up on my glass. Cause you don't know, I have to get my sticker from my glass because that's one of the big things now, you know. When the way station them stop you and have your sticker, you're alright, you know what I mean? Because I'm done to say them give a level 1 and you pass it and the whole work and you know, I need to go through that again, you see me? But otherwise than that, just there I go now update and walk on first level 1 for the truck. You see me I say? So I don't tell you no say, you know, you know, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna see what I go on and thing. But if you don't see the pre-trip video yet, as I said in the video, I'm gonna drop it before this. So now if you go back and look for that pre-trip, you know what I mean? Because the pre-trip is very, very important. You see me I say? I'm a virgin, Basil, do it from over BC, over the school, I'm go. You know what I mean? And the whole away, I teach some trainees, some like that, some new guys that come from Jamaica and come from Trinidad and in place there, over the school. Basil's a you like that. Once him see him and him go help you, you know what I mean? So I saw him stay, so him do a video for me, come ask him do a video for me and thing and you know I walk through it the real way, the right way. You see me I say whole for information, you know what I mean? So that pre-trip there one of the things we pass any exam you go do. Once you pass a written test and you watch a pre-trip video here, you have to pass. Have to pass. Take it from me. Because it's kind of tough so many times still. Because some of them today them call about this check, that check. I never know some of them name. You understand what I just hold on them, see when I sheet them and say, okay, you know what I mean? That's when you do to get the license. So no need to go and check out that video. And you know, make sure you watch it over and over and over so that you can play back on your head. And at the same video you can use when you go buy a truck and all them things. The same procedure, you check the truck where you go buy and all them little things and know what go on. If you have it right, you get it right, you know what I mean? As I say, I try stars, I check in and everything is everything, you know what I mean? So we just drop the video and basically that's about it, you know what I mean? You know, someone DOT, the hand I truck and listen to me a while ago. John, I'm supposed to say, oh, the brother there tell everybody what I go on. But yeah, basically that's what I go on, you know? So, big respect. Thanks to tuning in. As I say, I try stars again. And I can't use my video, you know, so I have to come and fight. So, big up on yourself. As I say, it's a good feeling, you know what I mean? I have me stick up on my glass. You see me? So a big number 7 and a boy if you get everything you know, you think of it well in you know in prop cause when them when DOT hold you know or DOT stop you know and a joke thing you know what I mean? It will cost you a whole heap of money. And you have to call mechanic right on spot because you can't move, you go out of service if anything defective on the truck. So that's you have to make sure so you keep up to par with the maintenance, keep up to par with any ear leak, any little thing when you know can make your truck defective. Get all of them there out of the way. Make sure you do them before you go up on the road because it can cost you a lot. You see me I say you can run from one little minor thing like you see one little like you have a little ear leak or you see your brake now all good to the left and you say, you know what, let it stay until next week. But next week I sort it out because I don't know bigger for you know, so we talk more time. You know what I say? But you cost it. Because right now if me say that and come here and them stop me, I get a ticket. And a ticket roughly anywhere in the $400 bracket I go up. You understand? And then on top of that now I have a call on-site mechanic would drive them fun and them thing if you come sort out, if you come fix the whatever problem maybe. And because them know say I have to get it fixed, then price is hefty. You know what I mean? The price stand up. So you have to pay the money then. So the cost of it that they got cost it, and then by the end of the day you got lose points off of your company thing and you lose points up. So, you know, if you go through all of that stress, you better just make sure, say, you get all them things fixed and get it sorted out, you know what I mean? But, so far, like I'm saying, I can move off, you know, because I feel it's a good feeling, you know what I mean? If you get to pass your level 1. So YouTube, try stars and check out. Go to more information of everything, if anything. As I say, I'm showing you the iftar sticker. I don't know if you want to see it good. I'm going to show, not iftar sticker, we're not talking about. The DOT sticker, the number 7, 7 pass, inspection. I go on good. Respect, that's good feeling. Okay, YouTube, so I go on here. See there. Alright. I pass my level 1 with YouTube. I pass my level 1. Pass my level 1. Look at my sticker. Look at my sticker, YouTube. Look at my sticker. See there? Number 7 sticker.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.